In the next few minutes, you're going to learn how to make money with Facebook Reels automation. In other words, I'm going to show you how you can start earning thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions, spending less than 15 minutes per day on social media, posting silly, faceless videos. These can even be AI generated videos, but the point is, it's all automated and the system runs on complete autopilot. So I have the exact steps that you can follow right here, but real quick, comment on this video, automate my page if you just want me to do this for you. If you stick around until the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I can actually automate your Facebook page for you so you don't have to do any of this at all. But assuming you do want to do it yourself, here are the steps. Step one is to grab the content scheduler from automatereels.com. So if you come to automatereels.com, you can get a free trial to this tool, and what this is a content scheduling tool. So you can see here it's a calendar, and obviously there's dates, and on each date I have content scheduled. But what's cool about this tool, if I click on one of these videos, you can see this is an AI video here, a short video, a reel, 46 seconds, and it's getting posted to 8 different accounts when the time comes. When this is scheduled, it's getting posted to 8 different accounts, and I have this all scheduled out into the future. So here's why this is important. This is why you'd want to do something like this. So if we look at the steps here, the next step is to create content and load it into the scheduler. Makes sense, right? You're going to use a content scheduler. You're going to need content to put into it. But here's where this gets exciting. The next step is to become an become an affiliate for popular AI tools. So here's how this works. Like I said, I'm creating these simple faceless videos either by just pointing at my computer screen or using AI, and then I automate these getting posted to different accounts. And because I'm using these videos to promote affiliate products, each one of these accounts can make multiple sales on these affiliate products. So all I have to do to increase the amount of sales I make is increase the amount of accounts that I'm posting this content to. So you can see right now, like I said, I'm posting this content to 8 different accounts already. So the last step in this process, assuming you want to make money with this, is to automatically message the affiliate link to followers using ManyChat. But we're getting a little bit ahead of ourselves here. So assuming you don't have your own business or anything to sell, like I said, you can make money with this by becoming an affiliate for popular AI tools. And that's how you are going to make money online. That's how I've earned thousands of dollars with this. Obviously, the more clicks you get on these affiliate offers, the more sales you make and the more money you earn. So how can you start making money promoting other people's products online? You can head to copythelist.com, and at copythelist.com, all you have to do is click one of these green buttons and you'll be able to copy my money making links spreadsheet. Now what this is a spreadsheet full of different affiliate offers for AI programs and different software tools. So you can see here the spreadsheet tells you exactly what each tool does. There's AI video tools, AI funnel builders, AI voice tools, high ticket AI system, all kinds of stuff here that you can promote online to make money. And so there's a link to sign up to become an affiliate. There's notes that give you a little more details about what the tool does. But you can promote any of these different offers that you want basically just by clicking buttons and signing up as an affiliate. And then again, obviously, the more clicks you get, the more sales you're going to make, which is why the last step in this process is to automatically message the affiliate link to your followers using ManyChat. So ManyChat is a chat bot that you can set up on your Facebook pages, and you could set it up to just automatically send this money-making link to anybody who watches your videos. And since these are all scheduled in advance, you don't really have to do anything once you set this up, once you get these videos automated. So I told you if you stuck around until the end of the video, I'd show you how I can actually just do this for you, and you have two options. So if you want me to do this for you, you're going to want to head to videonuke.com. So once you get to videonuke.com, there's a free training. Again, it just kind of walks you through what I've shown you here in a little bit more detail. And then there's two options down here. If you just want to do this yourself, you can click this top button that says Get 30 Pre-Made Videos Scheduled for $1. And what I'm going to do is just give you 30 of my AI videos that I've used to make sales in the past. and I'm actually going to give them to you in spreadsheet form so that all you have to do is come over here to this tool, click this green arrow, and where it says bulk CSV import, you can click this button, and just by clicking it a couple more times here, you can upload the spreadsheet and have 30 days of content completely automated. So your calendar will look like this with a video ready to be posted each day for the next 30 days, and it only costs you $1. So that will start bringing views and followers to your account, which you can then sell unlimited products to. Again, if you come to copythelist.com, you register to become an affiliate, and now you're building a following, and you can send these people your affiliate links on autopilot and ultimately use this to make as much money as you want. So the second option here is for me to just do this for you, and if you click this button, what I will do is every time I upload a video to one of my pages, and like I said, I upload these videos to about 8 different pages of my own currently. So if I click here, we can actually take a look at another one. This one's called AI Tool Tutorials, and you'll see it's the exact same content getting uploaded to multiple accounts, and it gets views on each account. Each one of these videos is getting several hundred views on several different accounts, so that's thousands of views coming in just from these automatic videos. So what I'll do, if you click the do it for me button, is every time I upload a video to one of my accounts, I will automate this video to get posted to your account as well. And so all that looks like is we're just going to add your account into this process here. So then every time I post a video, it's going to post to my accounts, and it's going to post to your accounts as well. And then you will be able to sell your followers, or the people that engage with my videos posted to your account, you'll be able to sell them affiliate products. And if you want to take this to the next level, like I said, the way to actually make money with this is to automatically message your affiliate link to followers with ManyChat. So if you choose for me to set this up for you, on the next page, after you click here and tell me that you want my videos getting posted to your account, on the next page I'm going to give you the option where I will actually just clone my ManyChat automation for you as well. So then all you have to do is give me your affiliate link. I will put your affiliate link into this ManyChat automation, and then, like I said, my videos will get posted to your account, and anybody who comments on these videos will automatically get messaged your affiliate link so that you can start earning commissions for whatever product you want to promote. And again, if you head to copythelist.com, there are hundreds of different products that you can promote as an affiliate. So you just tell me which one of these products that you're promoting, give me the link, I will put it into this ManyChat automation, and then suddenly you'll have videos getting posted on a daily basis. You'll have messages getting sent automatically to anybody who engages with the videos, and it's going to cost you less than going out to dinner one time. So you skip one fancy dinner for the month and you automate your content, and suddenly, you could be making thousands of dollars promoting affiliate offers. And the cool thing about this is when you build up this account and build followers, these are your followers. You'll get to keep these followers. You can sell as much stuff as you want, and all you had to do was click a couple buttons to let me know that that's something you want. So again, that is at videonuke.com, and again, there's 2 options. For $1, you can set this up yourself using automatereels.com and simply upload my spreadsheet to your account, or you could just be totally lazy and just have me do everything for you. It's up to you, but either way, that's at videonuke.com. I can't wait to get your content automated so that you can start making money with Facebook Reels automation. If you appreciate me sharing this content with you, be sure to click the thumbs up button on this video. That'll let me know you like the content. It'll also trigger the algorithm to show it to more people. If you want to see more content like this in the future, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below so that you can learn how to start earning thousands of dollars with AI and automated content. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.